So you see, this is a box which the opening is at the top. I'm marking it so that I can cut and make a opening over here. So it depends upon how much cardboard you want to put inside. I just want a border, so I'm cutting accordingly. And I have taken a cutter which has no blade, just a point of the blade at the just the point of the blade at the corner, so that I can mark. And then I'm gonna use scissors. You can use a heavy duty cutter as well. So see, I'm just taking out the extra part, and after that I will be folding the remaining edges. Now I'm marking the corners, cutting it in a slant way. So I'm doing it very roughly, as you can see. Yeah, all the 4 edges are good to go, and all the 4 sides are good to go. Now you see this white roll. This is a double-sided paper tape. Normally we use it in card making and gift wrapping and all that stuff, but it is a very good tool when it comes to do DIY. When it comes to DIY. So this is an opening where I'm gonna place small strips of double-sided paper tape, and later I'm gonna peel it. Now see, I'm gonna peel it and stick. So it helps in holding the whole cardboard organizer together. Now see, if there's a requirement of 2 strips, I'm adding 2 strips. Otherwise 1 strip is good to go with all these kind of organizers. It also gives a very neat finish. Same thing, putting a double-sided paper tape. So here also I am gonna put double-sided paper tape inside also and outside as well. Yeah, 2 strips outside, and probably I think 3 strips will go inside. Okay, so see, now it's gonna put the whole thing together. Must be using a lot of these thin and more broader, broad paper strips, double-sided paper tapes for gift wrapping, bouquet making, flower arrangements, and more or less in card making, most commonly used in card making and all that. No, these are not the foam ones. These are normal paper double-sided tape. You see, both sides. It's a double-sided tape, and I'm gonna peel the top layer. Both sides there is glue on this on this tape. See, pretty good to go. All I'm trying to make a smooth fold. Normally people do cut this extra edge out, but I like to put it fold it and put it inside. So if you remember my these dustbins I created out of those empty cardboard boxes, Bonvita empty cardboard boxes, in that also I tried to put the whole thing inside despite of chopping them off. So the only reason is that because it gives another layer to the box, and it is more sturdy. It stays more time than usual. So now you see this blue tape lining. So this is a normal painter's tape. You can use tissue paper tape, normal tape, brown tape, cello tape, or probably any painter's tape. Doesn't make much difference. The tape should have a good bonding agent, that's all. So since I was having this handy, so I have used it. Otherwise I would have used normal cello tapes or brown tape or maybe a paper tape. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it all the four sides. And yeah, so roughly you can see I'm just putting them roughly. Now I'm edging the sides, actually all the four sides from the top, to give it a smooth finish. Remember, it is only to make it more sturdy, nothing else. See, Ginger has come to see what Big Mama is doing. Nice. Just see and go. He's gonna just see and go. Now this is from the outside side edges. Try to do as neatly as possible. I'm not paying much attention to make it very neat. All I'm trying to complete it quickly, so that you have a general idea how can you do it. And it's very easy. Like, in no time I had another 6 organizers ready. And exterior body, first I have done the interior of the box and then the exterior. Now you see it's all done. Now 1 2 3 4, and this is 5 of the bigger ones. One I have done smaller, which I have not. Now I'm painting it. So I asked you to choose any color you want. Earlier we painted red and yellow. This time I have chosen blue and green. So, and this is not a sky blue or like a light blue. I have taken a little darker blue, but then being dark also, it is slightly bright. It's not that dark wala dark blue. It's not turquoise, it's not ultramarine blue. It's a different shade of the blue. So you can choose any color. Bright, because it won't actually matter, because anyways inside you're gonna put all your materials or everything what you want to put in inside the organizer, and outside, because of the drawer, it's not gonna be seen. So, but then little brightness helps, it's a color therapy. In painting also I like it, and while you will be putting it in your drawer, you're gonna definitely love them. So whatever color you are okay with, you paint with that. You don't have to match it, or you don't have to have dull shades. You can choose any bright shade you want. It's basically color therapy, more or less. So while I'm painting this, I'm also helping in cooking, and I'm guiding both the guys. One is baking and one is preparing for the rest of the dinner. So yeah, this cannot be possible if I don't have a help inside the house, since we don't have any help like that. Yeah, still. So that's the thing, you have to manage everything. And here you go, you see the beautiful shade is coming out, and hence I will be painting it from outside as well. The earlier the red and yellow organizers have not painted from outside, and this one I will be painting, and yes, ignore that please. Okay, there you go. And I have not also painted them very smoothly, just roughly painted them, because I don't wanted to add more water and more color to these cardboard boxes, because they might absorb a lot of water and a lot of color. um, See, now I'm painting it from outside, and I'm just giving one coat. So basically one coat will not be enough for smooth painting, but then it looks nice and it gives a shaded impact, so I'm good to go with that. If you want a very smooth um, sort of paint on the top and inside, you must first primer it and then paint it. So primer will stop the paint and the water to seep through. I mean, like the base will not absorb a lot of water after primering. Since I have not primered, I am only keeping it to one coat and less water. I mean, as less as possible. I don't know how many organizers we need. I don't know how many organizers you guys would be needing, but believe me, when it comes to me, more is less for us. Now see, it's aligned in the drawer this way, 2 in each drawer. Thank you so much for watching.